Wow, look at them hella lights. Holy shit.
It's the cracked block because I have another block.
Why would you? Wouldn't it be easier for a head or?
This to build everything.
Jesus Christ.
I like this.
Yeah, I tried to wrinkle paint the intake, but the freaking nozzle got like super clogged, so it sprayed everywhere.
Bro, but this shit looks mint as hell. Is this what's going in?
Yeah.
Okay, did you do a head gasket on this?
Nope.
Okay.
I am not ripping this motor apart. Astronaut.
Yeah. Yo, I went to Neptune, man.
Yeah, Neptune.
Wait, where is it? Show me where it is. Neptune? It's like up there somewhere.
See that leaf at the top of the tree? It's a little past that.
Yeah. Alright. I'm going for it.
All I gotta do is get a really big ladder.
Holy shit.
Kieran,
I
think I found it.
I gotta jack it up and I'm gonna undo the trans cross member and then it's ready to go.
Well, I already see a hiccup.
What?
Okay, well, this... Okay, wait.
The starter's a little
different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely the bell housing that's gonna have to be swapped. I don't fucking...
We gonna find out.
Do you have... I don't want to, like, you know, take this shit... Because I've taken these transmissions apart. I've never really attempted to put them back together.
Hey, we gonna find out, all right?
I'm fine with that. What do we got? What do we got here? Holy shit.
this right here is my 1990
Nah, maybe because
Mazda Miata.
Through a belt. I got fixed it though.
Oh, is that a timing belt you got there?
It's a timing chain.
Holy shit.
This is a timing chain.
Holy fuck.
It's got 109,000 miles. No
100?
rust.
Whoa.
No rust though.
Wow.
Look. Solid.
pop up.
Whoa, they go up and down. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Get ready.
Get ready.
Holy shit. It's a
Oil burning, oil spitting 1.6.
it's a 2J yeah.
Yeah.
You got a 2J.
Now it's a one UZ.
Sick as hell.
One UZ.
Sick
I got
as hell.
you, dude. You need a belt? I got you.
Throw that
I
bitch
do.
in there.
Look.
Throw that in there.
But I kind of just want to enjoy this engine and then throw something fun in it.
Like
Like a K.
They're not fun.
This motherfucker, you should get one of them GM 3800s in this bitch.
See, like BMWs are pretty easy. 318.
Put a Cummins in it.
You can get crate motors for like.
Or like
Hey,
100 times.
if you know how to fabricate, sky's the limit, man.
I would-
Sky's the limit.
God damn. Holy fucking shit.
What do you have? What do you got?
Ferris, you got it.
Okay, you want to film?
Nothing. Nothing. So it's literally just lowering the jack.
The jack is holding up the trans. That's kind
Okay,
of.
so once you get out of the engine mount.
That's hopefully everything. Yeah, both the top and bottom of the mounts are bolted. So
Yo, Tim, what are we doing today?
you're taking out a freaking engine, bro.
Whoa. Dueling cameras? Dueling cameras?
Two cameras?
Dueling cameras? Dueling cameras? Alright.
Oh, it's happening.
Time
Yeah,
to
try to let the jack down.
time to test how strong everything that is still holding it is.
This is where we get nervous.
You get nervous? Yeah, this is my favorite part. I blast this shit out. Boom. And then I fuck shit up.
Yeah, Tim, you got
Not even on the other.
You got a pry bar? Wait, hold on.
Nope.
Hold on, a little higher? Alright. Goodbye, motor mount.
Fuck that motor mount.
Okay.
No, fucking what?
Oh, we're definitely stuck over here. We might have to go back a little bit. Yeah, we gotta have to either come up a little higher or come back down, or come back.
It's spray paint.
We'll do the backyard.
Cooling in the fucking way.
Calling your car a piece of shit, man.
Yeah, totally not a piece of shit.
I call this thing. Yo, we're literally taking the engine out right now. All right.
Yeah, totally not
Your
a
words
piece of shit.
cannot hurt me.
Alright. Do the honors. Yeah, I don't think you need to go up any higher. Bring this bitch back. Bring it. Just
Is
bring
it
it.
off the other mount?
Yoink this bitch back.
Is it off the other mount?
Yeah?
Alright, should I lower the fucking these things?
Alright, wait, we're hitting somewhere. Hold on.
Yeah, the fucking trans tunnel.
No, yeah, lower that shit down a cum hair.
Nice.
Nice one, Tim.
Fuck you, Jake.
Love you too, sweetie.
Need a flashlight?
Oh wait, I'm probably the wrong way. Hold on, let me.
Is it stuck on something?
Where's my light?
Actually, if you can see, it's already like slipping out the back of the trans.
On the slim car, you know,
We just have to tilt it more.
It's coming out of the.
Yeah, that's what
it's
I'm saying,
slipping out, but we might. Hey, Slim, try and drop it a little bit and then bring it out a little bit. But when you go to pull it out, don't go crazy because you have the hard lines of the rack right by the bell housing. Alright, now just.
That was a lot.
Yeah.
Try and like, try and pull the engine your way.
No, it's kind of low.
Yeah, they look at it.
Alright, come up a little bit. Yeah. Come up a little bit.
Yeah, I felt it slide out.
Yeah, I saw it slide out.
Be careful under there.
I'm just as careful as
It's literally not touching.
I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, right now you're fine.
If we all just
Okay.
Hey, wait! Before you yank it anymore, get the jack under here to support the tail shaft of the trans. Cause when it pops out of that tail shaft, it's gonna drop.
All right.
All right, stop there. All right. You can pull it a little.
I gotta snap this.
What do we snap?
Photos.
Oh.
Alright, here comes. Alright, yeah, that's. I think it's out.
It's off. Yeah, it's off.
Hold on. Yeah.
Has to be off.
Yeah. Oh, I see some gear oil.
That's why I put the tarp down. Oh, that's big.
If it stinks, it's the wrong gear oil.
Whatever.
Yeah, you put GL5 in it.
I mean, it's out.
Alright, drop the trans a little bit because we gotta angle it now.
Can we tilt it a little more?
Yeah, we should.
Here, that's good.
We should put something here.
No.
Like a rag or something.
Yo, Karen, put your hand out.
Alright, keep going. This is
Tilt it a little more.
Yeah, tilt it a little more.
It's about to be tilted all the way.
Because the oil pan.
How do people do this, bro?
The oil pan.
know.
I mean, it would have been so easy to just unbolt the
I don't know.
trans off the.
Yeah, you do that.
Yeah, do that real quick.
Real quick?
Let me, just give me a 10 mil.
Are you sure?
You're literally on the. Yeah, you're getting stuck.
Alright, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna push down on the end of the tail shaft so it goes up in the
I have
front.
an idea, but it might
Yeah, wait.
be too
No, wait,
sketchy.
it's already in the.
Here.
I think we just gotta be able to.
What if
Ew, GL5, I can smell it.
Yo, just push it back. Push it back. All right.
I'm holding it.
Yeah.
Right here. It's stuck on the front.
Hold on. You got a bolt right here.
Where?
Right here. You see this?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, you literally got a bolt stuck there.
What the fuck is that?
Alright, wait. Watch your fingers.
Who needs fingers?
Exactly.
Oh.
Oh, that's. Yo, you gotta push this better.
Yeah, you think I don't know that?
If we all collectively just motor. Oh my god. If we all collectively just.
Alright, it's over.
Hey. Oh, that's out. That's out.
Wait, tilt it.
Yeah, start.
Really?
Ah, I don't like this handle.
Oh god.
Great.
Does she have to go the other way?
No, do I? Oh, that would have helped.
Okay. Alright, there you go. Yeah, it's gone.
All right, you guys pull it back a little bit. Starts clearing the firewall completely.
Alright, no, at this point, yeah, at this point you have to.
It's horrible. If I gotta move this car. Look how deep it is. Yeah, I was gonna say. Race car. I'm like hammering this car. I can't. I need like this crane.
Hey, you gotta do that.
Alright, go slowly with it. Go slow.
A little more.
Things falls, we're all screwed.
Keep going up. There you go.
Alright, just pull it. I don't want to like jack it.
I mean, yeah, we can just. Yeah, we can just.
All right.
Alright,
Alright.
Alright, wait. Alright, cleared the car. Drop it quick.
Drop it.
Don't, I hate.
Watch out.
Nice Michelin's or not? Yeah, we're getting lower at first before we...
Yeah, so we can move it. You don't want to be moving it.
That's good enough.
That's why we said it was not good.
You didn't tell me about that. You kept saying that's good.
How many times did I say that's good?
Next time say it's not good, because...
You gotta give a reason why it's
Dude,
not
I
good.
thought the whole freaking car just exploded.
Hey, we're grimy now. Yeah, look. Same tail shaft.
Lovely.
Look at that. Wow. Z31? That's...
It looks similar.
That was scary.
Put on the Michelin's.
I wonder how much of a pain it's gonna be though.
Nothing nice now.
Put it back in.
Because you gotta take it off from here.
Where'd my engine go?
And then the chance comes all the way up there.
Put it back in. That's what it's gonna be really
That's
scary.
the tricky part now.
Yeah, and then putting the
I say you fucking...
already pulled back messy
Hey,
wire
my
harness.
shifter gasket.
That's
That
where
looks
I
pretty
went.
good, to be honest.
It does. I think we were using that one. Yeah.
That's where I went.
Did I hear we use it?
Gasket? That looks brand new.
I can't touch it. I can't reach.
But I do say you cut.
How you like? How
I
do you?
do say you cut this.
How clean you think my shell is?
Oh,
Hunter's gonna re-weld that hopefully. See, another thing that's missing this
what do you mean that's really right?
is not the same on that. You see? It's missing this little collar.
Oh yeah, no, that one doesn't have the collar, but it still slides in. It works fine.
Engine bill what?
Yo, wait, is today Thursday? Fuck if I know.
Why is this?
Oh, okay.
Do a lot of stuff, but after it's gonna get new paint anyway.
Let's stop dangling your engine around.
No, it looks cool.
Yeah, I mean.
Yo, Tim, I want to go in the engine bay.
$5 each.
The engine bay of a 240. Oh my god.
Probably won't be the last.
Sir.
Oh, no!
Johnny Bay!
Get in, get
Don't
in.
stand on that!
Oh, shit.
I'm sorry, Tim. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Hit him over the head!
Johnny Bay!
beat him with the 71.
I forgot I was grinding.
Where's my 1,000 rags at?
Oh shit.
Johnny B, man.
Johnny B. I'm gonna get that
You're
hammer.
the cleaning bitch. That's what you.
No. Priority.
Clean it for you. Tim, I'll do your car for free, man. I'll detail it for free, man.
Yeah, detail my engine while you're at it.
I'll do it, man.
Hey,
Start cleaning.
Timbo!
How did you,
Turner.
dude? How did you get in it so easy? Motherfucker, have you
casual.
not been in an engine bay before? God damn it!
Clearly not.
He starts touching everything
How
as
do
he
we
goes
get
in.
it over
He's
there?
like, oh my bad, bro.
Where do you want to
sorry.
Yo, Tim, where do you want to go?
Slim, it's this simple. Just put the engine in the car, Slim. Just put the engine in the car.
Why didn't you tell me this sooner, bro? I would have done it.
Holy shit. Just put the engine in the car.
All you nerds.
Just put the engine in the car.
Bro, why don't you put the RB26 in this thing?
Bro, what is this 2J? It's a funny looking 2J.
No, don't just start yanking or else this thing's falling down.
Let's push at the top.
I want to get as much away from this as possible so I could like roll the car up and work on it.
Do you need me to push it with my truck?
No. Now that the engine's out, this is easy to, move it. Yeah. Maybe we should.
I just gotta push this.
Why don't we just move?
Yeah, just pick up the dice. Pick up the dice. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple, Slim. Slim, what are you doing? It's just that simple, Slim.
I thought.
Watch out. If you stand over here, move.
Yeah.
Okay. You can probably lower it now.
Alright, no, put the tire in the middle.
Yoink.
Put the other tire also over there.
Wait, should we spin
Okay.
the thing around maybe?
Don't want the oil pan on
Going
the
back
ground.
from my engine bay.
Well, we can just lower it.
You got out of the engine.
I feel horrible. I mean, it didn't really matter because it's clean now, but what have I become?
The trench this way.
I become the grime man.
I don't know if
That was a lot.
A lot better. A lot better.
Now kick it
You gotta admit, yeah. A lot better. Alright, move that.
Now lower that.
Lower it. Okay.
The stand's gonna be on the
There
ground.
you go.
Right?
There you go.
And there we go.
We could take the trench out now, and now you put this thing on the.
Okay, engine's on the ground. All the weight's off.
Yay.
That's how you remove a KA, kids.
Yup. Takes 15 minutes
No,
You like your rag?
actually had a.
to take a KA out.
Are you serious?
Got it.
Got it.
Don't do that yet. Don't undo that yet. Don't undo that yet. Don't undo that yet. Don't undo that yet.
Hold up.
Don't undo that yet. Don't undo that yet. Because I have to do some bolts. I might have
Now
to
she's
lift it up a
getting the
little
memo.
bit.
You want the grime rag?
Get it out or
Yeah, I'm a little grimy.
It's really it's cucumber.
Now we must take the.
I suppose you could get it out though.
Kieran, you suck.
Okay, that's. Damn.
Tim, are you gonna sell
Okay,
this to someone
let's take
and say
another.
it works?
What? All you
gonna
need
sell
from
and say
this
it works?
is just the bell housing.
Fuck no, I'm not a scumbag.
This thing is shot.
According to the writer,
is shot.
Okay.
this pot with all the gears and stuff is no bueno.
I love how it's just gunk everywhere.
Let's just say 4. Like give it to me.
Yo, you need some good gunk on an engine, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's self-lubricating.
Who wants a brake booster check valve?
Oh, thank you.
I want it.
Wow,
Sell that on eBay, $30,000.
I can't wait. I've changed my mind.
Bitch.
All right, I think I have to leave soon.
Sad noises.